So we decided to build our own home to give the family the best opportunities, that it was make the most amount of sense to build our own home rather than try and find a house that would fit our needs. The idea for prefab came about because of my career. I'm a project manager and I've always been one of these people that want to know exactly how much I'm spending. We went to the home exhibition shows and there I met Danwood and they just talked my language. They said exactly what I wanted to hear. So we asked Danwood to make a number of modifications of the house because of the way the house fits on the land. For example, we wanted the front door on the other side of the house, we wanted the bedrooms to be slightly bigger, we wanted an ensuite rather than having a guest toilet, and Danwood were totally accommodating. They understood everything, they wanted to help us. One of the reasons that we moved here was because I collect cars, veteran cars, vintage cars, and by moving here I've been able to keep this collection going, and by building this house it meant that we could continue to live in the lifestyle we want and I can continue to work on the cars. So with Danwood we got a lot of options in terms of fixtures, fittings, the interior, the exterior. When we were putting in the planning permission, one of the deals with the council was that we had to make it look as barn-esque as possible, and Danwood helped us by putting wooden cladding on parts of the building, and this made it more appealing to the council. So the team that were working on the house were fantastic. They built the whole house from start to finish within 6 weeks. I mean, we actually moved in on the 6th week day because we were expecting a baby within the next 2 to 3 weeks. So the team really pulled everything out. They pulled it all together to make sure that we can move in. The build quality has been exceptional. The number of our friends that come in can't believe that this is a prefab house, that everybody comes in and knocks on the wall just to prove that it is a real house. They have been so helpful from the beginning when we started doing the actual application form. So before we'd even agreed to join Danwood, they were willing to help me get through the application process, all the way through to the actual build itself. The house, as I've mentioned, is built in 6 weeks, start to finish, and then the aftercare has been really good. I would absolutely recommend buying a Danwood house.